Hey everybody, welcome. If it's your first time here, thanks for stopping in. If you've been here before, thanks for coming back. And so today I want to be making a bowl out of some Bradford pear that my neighbor gave me. I'm going to make this bowl for him. He doesn't know yet, but or for his wife probably, but it's got some cracks in it, so it may fill them with something, may not, I don't know. We'll see how it turns out. But before I get started, I want to tell you about Jason at Grumpy's Wood Turning. I got a couple stickers from him. So I'm putting them up on my new sticker board. Obviously I haven't had time to hang it yet. I haven't been out of the shop since the last video. But go check out Grumpy's Wood Turning. He's a really good guy. He does some good work. He's in the process of building a new shed. His other one had some issues because of weather and whatnot. But go give him some support. I think you'll like what he does. He's a really good guy, like I said. So go check him out. He's on Instagram too. He posts regular updates on his new shop on there. So Jason, I'm going to put you right here in the top middle. There we go. Go check him out. I haven't made up my mind yet whether I want this to be the inside or this to be the inside and leave it a live edge. So basically I'm just going to get it rounder and see how much we got to work with on the sides. So it's probably going to be the determining factor. Look at that, it's not even bouncing. If you've been here a few times, you can probably see my leg walking all over the place, and I fully expected it again, but pleasantly surprised. Alright, I've decided this is going to be the top, because if I make it the bottom and start hollowing out, it might get into this, that, or if it doesn't, it'd be too shallow. So yeah, I'm just making a live edge ring around the top. That's what we'll do. I guess I didn't drill it too straight. That's alright though. We'll fix it. Well, I was going to make it a more gradual bottom, but these are his chainsaw marks, and I kind of want to leave those just so he'll have something he did on there. See if I can smooth this out without getting rid of that. I might be able to keep a few of them. I'm gonna turn my mortise flipper around. Well, my worm screw didn't hold as tight as I wanted, so you can see the bottom is a bit crooked again, so got to fix that, which probably means those chainsaw marks are actually going to go away after all. So. Alright, so I got it pretty much shaped for the most part. It seems to be moving a little bit, even though it's really dry. I don't know if that's just Bradford pear. I haven't turned a whole lot of it, but anyway, we're going to hollow it out. I'm going to just cheat and drill it out. It'll be a lot quicker, so enough talking. Alright, so I guess my camera stopped and I didn't know it. So where I'm at is that was taking too long because my bits are dull. So I'm just going to go ahead and hollow it out normally. So here we go. Alright, so I finished hollowing it out and I sanded it to 400. I'm going to put some denatured alcohol on now. It's going to be pretty. I'll put a few coats of scenic sealer on here. I'm going to put a few coats of this on there and I'll bring you back before I do any more finishing. Alright, I got about 2 coats of sanding sealer on there. And now I'm going to use some Axe Abrasive sanding paste. That hurt. Alright, very nice. I'm going to do the outside too. I forgot to mention that I sanded these to 400. Sanded this inside and outside. Wow. So the finish I'm applying is mixture of denatured alcohol and shellac. First time I've tried it, but I've seen other people get really good results from it, so wish me luck. Alright, I'm going to put a few thin coats of this on there and let it dry and then bring it back, show you how it looks. sure you don't want to sit through this whole process. Alright, so I'll bring it back in a little bit. Alright, so that was 3 or 4 coats of the shellac finish. I'll put some more axe paste just to smooth it out and shine it up. Alright. I'm very happy with that. Alright, here it is. Turned out to be really pretty wood, I think. I wish I would have got a little bit deeper, but I mean, overall I think it's really pretty. I like that shellac. It's pretty easy to use. Yeah, it's about 7.5 inches across and about 3.5 inches tall. Of course, on the tall side and 2.5 on the short side. But anyway, what do you think? Let me know. Either way, thanks for watching. If you're a subscriber, thank you very much. If you're not, well, that's okay too. I appreciate it if you would be. Obviously, you don't have to. Thanks for sticking around if you made it this far. Hope you enjoyed it, and hopefully I'll see you in the next one. Have a blessed day.